hope. Yeah, hope. Isn't it one of the most beautiful words in this whole world? Hope is so powerful yet gentle. It has the power to bring a person who's hanging on to their life back to life. Hope, they say, when you're in doubt, you should have. Hope is one of the most beautiful gifts that you can give someone. They say if you have hope in life, then you're not alone. But what about if I were to add another word right in front of hope? What if I placed false in front of hope and made it false hope? Well, that's something different then. Like splashes of rain, you come into my life, sometimes unannounced, sometimes with bold thunder. And each time, my hope is you will flow away my pain, but you flood and drown me in some more false hope. Do let me know in the comments below what you thought of this poem. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love for you to share this. Share it with your friends, family. Maybe it's something that they will be able to connect with as well. Do leave me a comment. I'll see you soon with another video. Take care. Bye. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to soak yourself in poetry.